Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my take on the ultimate glowy bronze makeup for summer. I did some bronzy eye makeup and then I did this kind of mauvey, nudie, glossy type of lip combo. I think it turned out really nice. I really like this. I don't really wear this like bronzy monochromatic type of makeup very often, but I'm definitely going to start wearing this look because I really love how it turned out, and I think it's like this really pretty summer like bronze goddess look. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so right now. Just hit that little red button below this video. It only takes a second. And if you want to be notified every time that I upload a video, you can hit that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and you will be notified every time I upload. Anyway, I'm going to show you how I got this look, so let's just jump right into the video. Alright, so I'm starting off with my e.l.f. Prep and Hydrate Balm. I really like this stuff. It's like super moisturizing and has a nice tacky base. So I'm just applying this all over my face and blending out with my fingers. Now I'm mixing together the LA Girl Pro BB Cream with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm mixing in the Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. I really like this stuff, and I love mixing it in with my base. It adds like a nice glow and kind of shears that out if you have something that's more full coverage. Just applying that all over with my fingers actually, and then I'm going to take my sponge and just blend it out so it has a nice blended, even, smooth finish. Now I'm taking my NYX HD concealer. I really like this stuff. This shade is like not too much lighter than my skin. It's actually pretty much the exact same, so it's gonna look really natural. It's not gonna do tons of brightening, but that's okay. I just wanted something that's gonna look really natural, and I like this concealer a lot. So I'm just applying that on some blemishes underneath my eyes, and then I'm blending it out with my sponge as usual. I'm taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Translucent Powder. I'm just setting underneath my eyes, and I'm going to set a little bit down the center of my face too. And now I'm taking the Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. I love the Butter Bronzer, but this one's also really nice. It's a little bit more warm, so it's really pretty for summer and gives that nice bronzy effect. And I'm just applying that all the normal places that I would normally apply bronzer. And then I'm taking this e.l.f. blush in the shade Jet Setter, I believe. This is really pretty, really affordable, nice mauve toned blush. Just blending that onto my cheeks with another stipple brush. And then I'm taking this e.l.f. liquid highlight, super affordable, really pretty. I think this is actually in the shade Illuminating. That's what it says on the package. As far as I know, that's what it's called. Just applying that down the center of my face for a really dewy effect. And then I'm taking this hard candy highlight in the shade Tiki. This is technically a bronzer, but it's a highlight. And I'm applying this to the tops of my cheekbones. Now I'm taking this e.l.f. Mad for Mattes palette, and I'm taking this transition shade. This is great for a transition shade. I've used it a ton in the past. I'm just blending this into my crease and then bringing it down on my lid a little bit. And then I'm taking another brush to just blend it out further. I'm taking this like reddish brownish shade, really pretty in this palette, and I'm taking a more precise brush to blend it into the crease and darken that up a little bit. And I'm also taking those shades and applying them to my lower lash line with a more precise brush. I'm taking this Colourpop eyeliner in Mr. Bing. My Drugstore brown eyeliner actually went bad, so I'm just using this one. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to this e.l.f. Prism palette. This is a really pretty bronzy shade, not too intense, super natural, just to go over that first shade with. And then I'm taking my Loreal Brow Stylist Definer just to outline my brows a little bit. And then I'm going to take my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. This is a really good brow gel, and I'm just applying this into my brows to further fill them out. Love the effect this gives. And then I'm taking that first highlight that I used, or the powder highlight I used, and I'm applying this to the inner corners of my eye and on my brow bone. And here I'm just curling my lashes, and I'm going to apply some mascara. And I forgot to mention, this is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Comes in the green packaging. Applying that to my top and bottom lashes. And then I'm taking this Covergirl lip liner in Smoky Intense, I believe is the shade. And I'm just applying this, outlining my lips with this. And then I'm taking this Almay lipstick, and I think this is in the shade Butterkiss. I'm not positive. It's kind of confusing, the shade name. Just applying this all over my lips. Pretty mauve-y shade, and that completes it. Okay guys, so that completes the look. If you like how this look turned out, go ahead and like the video and leave me a comment down below with anything you have to tell me, any video suggestions, anything like that. I could really use the inspiration. If you want to, you can follow me on my Twitter and my Instagram. I will leave those links down below, and they will also be at the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. As always, I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.